Hello everyone, welcome to Desilicious Kitchen. Today we are going to share a very important tip on how to soak sabudana to get perfect pearl-like sabudana or sago or tapioca as it is called. Sabudana which will not stick to each other. When soaked this way and stored correctly, you can use it to make many awesome recipes and get good results. But before we see that, do not forget to subscribe to our channel Desilicious Kitchen and press the bell icon for. Let us begin by taking 1 cup sabudana or sago or tapioca. Let us put this 1 cup in a vessel. Add clean drinking water to this. We have used filter water to clean the sabudana and thoroughly rinse it with your hands. We need to rinse it at least 2 to 3 times. See, the water has turned milky white like this. We are going to throw this water away. This is the starch from the sabudana. This starch is also one of the main culprits in making the sabudana sticky. So we need to remove all the starch. This is our tip 1. Wash it thoroughly until the water runs clear. This will require at least 2 to 3 times of washing thoroughly. Once the starch is removed, one factor is removed from making the sabudana sticky. Wash again and again until the water runs clear. Now we are going to throw off the starchy water. Our sabudana is now clean. Now let us add 1 cup water to 1 cup sabudana that we have washed. This is our tip 2. Add equal number of cups. That is, if you have taken 1 cup sabudana, add 1 cup water. The proportion should be the same. Because now comes the tip number 3. That is, number of hours you have to soak it. We need to soak it at least for 4 hours. Because the more you soak it, the softer the sabudana will be and the easier it will be to cook it. So we soaked it overnight today, but you can also soak it for 4 hours. So this is tip number 3. Now next morning you can see how beautiful the sabudanas look, pearl-like. Each grain is separate from the other and they look so fresh and nice. This is how we want it. All the water has been absorbed. Yet we are again going to test it to see if there is any water remaining. And if any water is remaining, it will get drained now. So we are adding it to a strainer. We have kept it for 10 minutes in the strainer, but not a drop of water has come. This sabudana is now perfect to use for any recipe, whether it is khichdi or cutlet or vada, whatever you want to make. In India, many of the fasting recipes or vratka recipes made out of sabudana. And the main complaint is about the sabudana khichdi. That the khichdi has become sticky. But made this way, your khichdi will turn out to be perfect. Prepare the sabudana this way by soaking it correctly. Now, this sabudana can be stored in the refrigerator for at least 2 to 3 days. And then you can use it for any recipe that you want. Store it in an airtight container. I hope you enjoyed watching this tip and trick of soaking sabudana. Now we will very soon be showing you the recipe of sabudana khichdi, sabudana kheer and many more sabudana recipes. So in the meanwhile, take care. See you soon with another video. Bye for now.